Hey, it's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Today we're going to be talking about 5 insurance companies that love to drag things out and delay paying you. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do it in any particular order, but I'll go with number 1 and 2. Number 1, absolutely the worst company that loves to drag things out more than any other company, although second place is very close, but Universal. Universal is the number 1 company that tends to drag things out as far as paying your claim. They're the absolutely worst. They don't do anything on time, don't do anything timely, and they end up completely delaying everything. The only good thing is with them is that when they want to deny your claim, they're going to deny it pretty fast. In most cases, usually less than 60 days. Now, somebody close behind them is Citizens. Citizens, I'll give them credit, is that they normally deny your claim within 30 days. But if you end up filing a lawsuit against them or go through an appraisal process, a lawsuit they will drag out for a long time, over a year, on purpose. They'll do everything they possibly can to delay paying you. Now, you filed a lawsuit against them because you have a legitimate claim and they probably denied it or didn't pay you enough. So they don't want you to get paid, and they don't want to pay you what you deserve. All right? Believe it or not, number 3 in some instances is State Farm. So State Farm will pay you a little bit in legitimate claims, but they underpay you significantly. So what they do, if you try to get more money from them, they will cause all type of problems and do what they call an examination under oath. They will also do things like request all kinds of documents that you might think is not even related to the claim. For instance, the real estate, final real estate transaction form when you bought your home. They'll ask you for your wind mitigation, even if it was 10 years ago, they'll ask for that. They'll ask for pretty much all kinds of different inspection reports when you bought your home, depending on when that was. They'll ask you for photographs previous to when you had your claim. Just a bunch of ridiculous things. And the only reason why they do it is that to delay paying you the additional money. So they're one of the worst when they've paid you and then you say, hey, wait a minute, it's not enough money, I think I deserve more. They'll drag it on for months and months and months. All right? Number 4. Another company that tends to like to drag things out is they do it in a very kind of sneaky way, and they're also not too bad. So it's kind of hard to put them on this list, I guess you can say. But that's FedNat. So while they do pay claims, they are now most recently taking that full 90 days to make any determination. But they're not as bad as the other 3. Another company that tends to drag things out when you file a lawsuit is number 5. They're underneath the same umbrella, Florida Penn and Edison. All right. You know what? I'm going to add another one. So People's Trust would be number 6. And the reason being is because they have a process in their policy that actually, if they have this contractor program to where when you have damage, you have to use their contractors. And then if you disagree or the contractor doesn't do things right, they have 30 days to correct it. And there's like another 45 days after that, and then 60 days. I forget what the exact policy is, but they have all of these crazy type of days and deadlines that they have a right to correct it, and then correct it a second time, and third time, and fourth time. So it's all about delaying, and most insurance companies are like that. But there's also some insurance companies that while they deny things, they deny it right away, which is good. American Integrity, UPC, those two companies don't pay claims either, but they let you know pretty fast and they deny it. So a lot of these companies, again, the fourth and fifth company, FedMat, Florida Penn, they're not as bad as the other three, and really Universal Citizens is the worst of the worst. So some other companies can be on the list probably because they do have some ways of delaying it, but that's pretty much the five companies on things that they do, how they delay it, why they don't want to pay you right away. And I won't get into all those details. I just wanted to give you a list of insurance companies. So hopefully this was helpful. My name's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. If you need any help with a claim, give me a call, 754-252-5438. Thank you.